Have you ever looked at an outfit that you're wearing and can't quite figure out why it's not working? Well, if you have, chances are it's because you're breaking one of the 3 golden rules of fashion. Now, I'm not one for following rules at the best of times, but these 3 fashion rules are definitely worth knowing about. I talk a lot on this channel about balance and proportion and how those things actually matter when it comes to putting together an outfit. And in today's episode, I'm going to expand on that and just share a little bit more about what I mean by balance and proportion in an outfit and why those things are really important. Once you understand these principles and the 3 rules that I'm going to cover off today, you will easily be able to unlock your own sense of style, and putting outfits together will become so much easier too. So if you would like to see the only 3 fashion rules that you need to know about, then just keep watching. Now, the first rule I'm calling the rule of thirds. Now, you may have heard of this before, perhaps in photography, or if you're an artist, there's a lot of talk about the rule of thirds. Now, this rule very much applies to fashion too. And essentially, all it is, I'll give you an example in photography. If you were a photographer and you were shooting a horizon, essentially, the photo is going to look far more pleasing to the eye if you don't have the horizon in the center of the shot. If you place the horizon in either the top third or the bottom third of the photograph, it's far more appealing, interesting, and pleasing to the eye. So when it comes to fashion, you need to think about your body in thirds as well. And a really well-balanced outfit has a proportion of 2/3, which is essentially your bottom half, and 1/3, which is your top half, or vice versa. Generally, if you wear an outfit that breaks your body into separate thirds or doesn't give you any relief in those areas, then it really doesn't create an outfit that's very appealing. One of the things we often do in fashion is we cut ourselves in half, and that is the same as having your horizon in the center of a photograph. It's cutting your body in half, which is never a particularly flattering look.
Okay, in theory, this outfit should actually work because it's monochrome, but it doesn't because it's not obeying the rule of thirds principle. So my body's being broken up at the waist and also where the skirt falls just beneath my knee, and it's leaving this strange gap between the boots and the skirt. So it's basically breaking my body up into equal thirds. Well, almost. And what we are looking for is 2/3 and 1/3 to create a cohesive look. Now, this outfit does exactly that, but I don't like shiny boots teamed with this shiny skirt, so let me try something else. Okay, I've swapped out the boots for some Converse high tops. These are my faves, and that outfit looks better to me. It's definitely working. So the skirt is 2/3 and my t-shirt is 1/3. So it's a really nice balance of thirds. So now I've just thrown on my favorite crossbody bag and a great pair of sunnies, and I have a very easy, casual, but cohesive outfit. Let me know in the description box below if you can see the difference and see why the outfit on the right is working so much better.
And at this point, I'd just like to say a very big thank you to the team at VitaClean for sponsoring this portion of today's episode. Don't skip through this because you are going to want to know exactly what VitaClean is. So basically, VitaClean is a shower head that filters your water using vitamin C and essential oils to help improve dry skin and brittle hair. I've only been using VitaClean for a few weeks now, and I'm already in love. It feels like I've created a luxurious spa in my own home. Installation was a breeze, and you don't even need a plumber to install it, which is fantastic. As you can see, I have a handheld shower head, but there's also a fixed shower head option too, so everyone can get amongst VitaClean. Okay, so this is the triple filtration shower head. It gets rid of mineral buildup that ends up on your scalp, and the vitamin C neutralizes chlorine in your water. So the combination with the essential oils helps to retain moisture. This vitamin C filtered shower head not only makes my skin and hair look amazing, but I feel like I'm living my best spa life every time I step in the shower. The essential oils create a beautiful scented aromatherapy shower, which always leaves me feeling very zen-like, which is a perfect way for me to start my day. Oh, and I can't forget to mention, it also helps conserve water and it removes limescale from your shower, which I'm pretty sure is helping make my shower cleaning so much easier. I also have an amazing discount offer too, which is saving you 10% off your very own VitaClean starter kit, which is just Leonie 10. All you need to do is whip on over to vitacleanhq.com, use my code at checkout, and that will save you 10% off your starter kit. I'll leave a link to VitaClean in the description box below, but could make a great Christmas gift as well. So definitely check it out if you would also like to create a zen-like spa experience in your own home. Now the next rule is the sandwich rule of color. Now I think Lydia Tomlinson was the first person that I heard talk about the sandwich rule when it comes to fashion. But there are two sandwich rules that I think are worth following. So the first one is the sandwich rule of color. So when we're talking about a sandwich, we're talking about the bread is on the top, there's some interesting filling in the middle, and the same bread is on the bottom of the sandwich. And that's what we need to think about when we're thinking about the sandwich rule of color. So it's as simple as thinking about the color of your outfits like a sandwich. So the same color at the top, which is your bread, and the same color at the bottom, and a different color in between, which is your filling. Now I know this seems a little simplistic, but it's amazing how when you change this up and adhere to this rule, it just creates a really cohesive outfit. I'll show you a few examples here of what I mean, and let me know in the comments below if you can see it working.
Okay, now here's an example. I have a dark color on top. My interesting or my filling color is my light colored pants or jeans. And then I've gone with a light color boot. Now, as you can see, there is no color balancing or sandwiching happening here at all. And while it looks okay, I think it can look better. All right, so I've swapped out those tan boots for a pair of black boots, and I think instantly it looks, or the outfit looks more balanced and more cohesive, and I think it looks a little bit more modern as well. I've just added a belt here to also give me that sort of hourglass effect where I'm balancing the color on the top with the color on the bottom and just adding a little bit of the same color at the waist, again just to create some cohesion in the outfit. I've just added the crossbody bag and a long line coat and some sunglasses, and I have a very modern, well balanced outfit. Here's a little side by side so you can see exactly what I mean. I definitely think the outfit on the right looks more balanced, and that is the perfect sandwich that's doing it. Now I wanted to show you how this can actually work. If, for instance, like me in this outfit, I really wanted to wear these chunky boots, but I also wanted to wear an all black outfit. So all I did was add the top piece of bread, or, well, yeah, the sandwich, the other half of the sandwich, the top with this beautiful faux fur coat, and there you have it, a very color balanced look. And this is a new faux fur from Revolve. I've only just received it this week, and it is the most divine faux fur. It is soft and snuggly and super warm. I'm just having a moment with it here. And these are some very cool new Revolve leather, almost cargo style pants, which I'm absolutely loving as well. And who said you can't wear trainers with fur?
So the third and final rule is the sandwich rule of balance. And essentially the easiest way to remember this one is to think about an hourglass. So an hourglass is wider at the top, it comes in at the center, and then wider again at the bottom. It creates a real sort of equilibrium and just really nice balance of proportions, which is exactly what you want to try and achieve when you're putting together an outfit. So it's things like if you have a wider padded jacket, for instance, then you would think about teaming that with some chunkier boots or chunky trainers to balance out that look. And the key with this is also making sure that you don't wear the same fit top to toe. So you don't want to wear a fitted top with skinny jeans and some dainty heels. Now don't get me wrong, I love skinny jeans, but the way to wear that to create more of a cohesive modern outfit is to add a little bit of depth and interest. So wear those skinny jeans, but team them with some chunky boots or trainers and maybe an oversized sweater or a blazer with shoulder pads, just to think about that hourglass and try and create that difference of shape and style, mirroring the top of your outfit to the bottom of your outfit.
Okay, so this outfit clearly illustrates why wearing all of the same weight doesn't quite work. I mean, it's not offensive, but it doesn't look particularly modern or stylish. So wearing a fitted top with skinny jeans and everything is the same weight, in my opinion, just doesn't look very fashion, and yeah, as I said, it just doesn't look very modern. So an easy way to upgrade this look is to add a slightly wider pant. You could do it the other way around and add something looser on top, but in this outfit I've gone for my new leather pants from Revolve, and yeah, I think that this has just instantly given this outfit a far more modern edge and just given it a little bit of extra kind of oomph. I've added in my oversized blazer, and this is actually my son's blazer, and I'm stealing it from him because I wear it all the time. So here's a comparison, and all I've done is swap out those skinny jeans for a pant that has a little bit more room and a little bit more weight to it, and immediately it gives the outfit more of a modern, fashion-forward look, but it's still as comfortable, and I think it's really stylish.
Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, I'd love you to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.